Ni bajeti ya mwaka wa kigina wa 2025-2026 iria kirie guthomo kiumia giukite ni minister wa kigina John Badi na iria niyo nene muno ya nathomo iria muigana wa ciringi tiririoni 4.2. No bajeti-ini no bigiga ya mathire ma bururi yo ringi ikarituhira ciende cia Wanjiku mwaka-ini uyu wa kigina bururi wa Kenya ugitanya kuhuthira ciringi tiririoni 1.1 ire mbeca iria ikuhuthika kuriha ngombo cia bururi. Kuongerereka kwa bajeti hari mwaka twerekeire wa kigina kuria bajeti ino yongererekeire na makiria ya ciringi bilioni 300 kuma ciringi tiririoni 3.9 mwaka-ini turi wa kigina ugacungereria bururi wa Kenya gukorokera ngombo na makiria kuria thirikari igubatara gukomberera muigana wa ciringi bilioni 876.1 niguo gukinyaniria mabataro matiganite.
Yes, there were times when we had challenges, but where we are, we don't have a problem with debt sustainability. The numbers are there. The figures are there. Even the IMF has the figures. World Bank has figures. We have been rated out there. The problem we have is about liquidity. From 2034 to 2048, we don't have any loan to pay.
Hari kigina giki kiria gigukombwo ministry ya kigina yendekithitie gukomba ciringi bilioni 244.2 kuma nja ya bururi guku ciringi bilioni 591.9 igikombo mabengi-ini ma guku bururi-ini undu ria ungicokia bururi ugwati-ini wa Kenya kawaida na onjoria kuimwo ngombo kuona mabengi macaguraga gukombithia thirikari thina uria kaingi uhatagiriria aigithia.
That we have borrowed for the last few months 1 trillion Kenya shillings. The entire President Kibeca's 10 year, he borrowed less than 1.2 trillion Kenya shillings. It means we are borrowing in a few months what Kibeka borrowed in 10 years.
Kurigana na mubunge wa Kiharu Ndindi Nyoro, uria hau kabere ratungataga ta muikariri giti kamiti-ini ya bajeti bunge-ini, Kenya yaya guture cangacanga githiururi-ini kia woina urihi wa ngombo kuria njoherera iria ibataraga gucokio ithiaga o ikiumbagirira.
This issue of debt, if we are not progressive enough and prudent enough as a country, in just a few months to come, we will see the ramifications. We do not want Kenya to be a case study like Sri Lanka in the year 2022-2023. The primary reason was debt.
That is irresponsible statement. It is irresponsible, it can cause panic, and it should not come from someone who has chaired Budget and Appropriations Committee.
Thegi ya ngombo ici, thirikari ikambĩrĩria kũyũmbĩrĩra mathirio na makiria kwa mũhiano ica ikuhĩ gũkiumbũka atĩ rũhonge rwa kĩgĩna rũkoretwo rũkĩoya ngombo cia hitho kũhĩtũkĩra kĩgĩna kĩa maguta kĩa RMLF. Ũmũthĩ thirikari igikomba mũigana wa ciringi bilioni 62.
That is a making of a big scandal in Kenya. Because we are borrowing money at a fuel levy, the money that would have been collected for the next 7 years. Securitization ni ngombo irakombo ikaga gwikirwo mabuku-ini ma thirikari. Mbeca iria turarihira maguta-ini ikoya igakombwo roni, koguo mundu agakorwo toya igoti riu kahinda ka miaka 7 iria igukite. Turakomba mbeca iria iroka budget, no tugacoka tugakomba kangi kando. Na mungikaigua githungu kiingi kianjia guka muno, ukaigua kiugo kiarikanio gia githungu kiritu ugachunguza.
Harunia Kameme TV retoro kone bataro wa Mwagi.